Screen captures are small still shots you can add text to that will make it appear like you are talking to your audience. They are great for showing off a specific motion, special effect, or emotion. The best part is that screen captures will also add text to the picture, making your message more personal. There are many different screen capture tools that you can use to create screen captures for your videos. There are free tools and commercial tools that you have to pay for. The best screen capture tools and programs are the ones that offer more options. YouTube, for instance, has over 500 different captures that you can use. But they only have around 10 different screen capture tools. Tips for creating better screen captures. Some of the tips to create better screen captures are as follows. Adding text and arrows to highlight important points of your screenshot. Resize your screenshots appropriately. Using panoramic capture feature to capture a precise screenshot. Blurring out the sensitive information of your screen capture. Top trends in screen capturing software. One of the best screen capture tools you should be using is called Screen Capture Magic. It is very easy to use. First, you will need to add text to the screen capture. Then, add a title to the text. You can even put an image in front of the text if you want. Another excellent tool for screen capture is called Video Vid Zoom. This is a free program that allows you to make a video with all functions of a camcorder. You will not have to worry about settings, cropping, or anything else that goes into a regular video camcorder. This will help you get more out of your video clips. If you want to learn how to make a video for YouTube, one option is called YouTube Video Studio. This will allow you to add your photos and videos together. You will not need to worry about cropping or anything else that goes into a regular video camcorder. Instead, all of these functions will go into the software you will use to make your YouTube videos. If you are looking for a screen capture tool that will be very useful, you should try Screen Capture Pro. It is a screen capture software that is extremely easy to use, and it comes with a lot of helpful features. You can save many different types of videos, and there is even an audio screen capture option if you want to be able to hear what is being recorded. Another popular screen capture software is Camtasia. It is much like Screen Capture Pro in that it is easy to use, and there are a lot of features. However, there are also a few things that Camtasia has that Photoshop does not have. For example, you can add text to your video, which you cannot do with Photoshop. Therefore, if you are a professional video maker who needs to have everything come together the way you want it to, you might want to check out screen capture software like Camtasia. You can also try a screen recorder, such as Camtasia Free. However, this kind of screen recorder is only suitable for a certain amount of time, and then it becomes completely unfunctional. Therefore, you should try and find other alternatives if you want to make sure that everything is perfect for a video recording. It is much better to make sure that the video is as good as possible before putting it on the internet so that people can see it. These programs might work, but you would need to make sure that the video is of the highest quality. Some of these screen capture programs are only free for a short period of time, but they are worth downloading because they have all kinds of valuable features. Some of them do not require you to pay anything, while some of them are actually expensive, depending on the features that they offer. Conclusion: it is essential to make sure that you are working with the best screen capture software program to get the best results. This will save you a lot of time and money in the long run. You can indeed make a lot of fantastic videos using screen capture software, but you still need to make sure that you take extra precaution when doing so. The most important thing to do is to make sure that the website is safe before downloading anything. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.